वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट नंबर 5 स्टार्ट करेंगे। चलो ध्यान देते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो दिस इज क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 5। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन whose perpendicular distance from origin is given 4 units and the angle with the normal mixed with positive direction of x-axis is given 15 degree. So you know the formula कि when a perpendicular distance from the origin is given and angle with positive direction of x-axis is given. So this is called perpendicular distance formula. So you see what is the formula for this question? That is x cos omega, where omega is the angle, x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p, where p is the perpendicular distance from the origin. X cos omega y sin omega equal to p, where omega is the angle with positive direction of x-axis and p is the perpendicular distance from the origin. So my answer is what? That is x cos 15 degree plus y sin 15 degree equal to what? P, that is 4. This is the right answer. But if you want to find this answer, x cos 15 degree plus y sin 15 degree equal to 4, this is the right answer. But if you want to find value of cos 15 and sin 15, so you can find also. Just like this is cos 15 degree. So you can write this cos 45 minus 30 degree. Now this is cos A minus cos B. So cos A minus cos B was cos A into cos B. So cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos A into cos B. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So cos A cos B. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this is sin A. Sin 45 again 1 by root 2 and sin 30 half, right? So root 3 by 2 root 2 and 1 by 2 root 2. So this is how much? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is cos 15. Again you can find sin 15 same way. So this is sin. You can write 45 minus 30. So sin A minus B is what? Sin A cos B. So sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So sin A cos B minus cos A. So cos 45 1 by root 2 minus cos A sin B. So sin 30 half, right? So this is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is what? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now put this value. So you will get x. This is cos 15. So our answer is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Right? And this is y. So y into sin 15. So our answer is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. And this equal to what? 4. So if we take LCM, it will become x into root 3 plus 1 plus y into root 3 minus 1 equal to what? 4 to the 8. That is 8 root 2. So this is the right equation. So question is find equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 4 and at the angle with the normal mixed with positive direction of x-axis. So this is the right answer and this is the right answer. Okay. So for this type of question, you have to remember this formula. That is x cos omega plus y sin omega p. Omega is what? Angle with positive direction of x-axis. And p is what? Perpendicular distance from origin. Now see the second question. So this is second question. The Fahrenheit temperature F and absolute temperature K satisfy the linear equation given that K 273 and F 32 And again K373 when F212. Express in terms of F, find the value of F when K equal to 0. So just to suppose x-axis and y-axis. So F for x-axis or 273K for y-axis, or that is this one y-axis, or it should depend upon you. So here I am just, it is not given which you have to find. Given that x when F and K when this. So express in terms of F. So suppose F is what? X coordinate. So this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So point will be what? That is, suppose there is a one point, this first point. So x coordinate and y coordinate. So we are making F for x axis. So this is x coordinate 32 and y coordinate that is 273. Now in the same way there is a B point. So we have taken F as a x axis. So here in the second case F is 212. So this is 212. And K as a y axis. So y axis is what? 373. So this is 370. Okay. Now we know the formula, that is y minus y1. So we have taken y as a what? That is y axis as a k. That is k as a y axis. So y minus y1. So if we take y minus y1, so y we have taken k. So this is what? K, y minus y1. So k minus 273. Right? Y minus y1. This equal to y minus y equal to y2 minus y1. So y2 is what? 37. So this 37 minus 273. So 37 minus 273, it will become negative here because 273 here 32 and 273, and here 212 and 373. This is 373. So this is y minus y1. So y coordinate is k. So k minus what? That is y1 273. Now y2 minus y1. So this is 373 minus 273. Okay. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 is what? That is 212 minus 32 into x minus x1. So x is what? That is f. So x minus x1. So x1 is what? 32. So this is f minus 32. Now k minus 273. So this is 3 minus 3 is 0. This is 0. This is 1. Here 2 minus 2 0. 11 minus 3. This is 180 into f minus 32. Right? So now this 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. Okay. So this is 9k minus 9 3s are 27. 9 7s are 63 and 2 65. 9 2s are 18. 18 and 6 24. So 9 3s are 27. We have carried 2. 9 7s are 63 and 2 65 carry 6. 9 2s are 18. 18 6 24. Now this equal to, this is 5f minus, this is 5f minus, and we have to find the value of f. So don't go for this, you go for the like this. So this is 9 into k minus 273 divided by 5. This equal to what? F minus 32. So f equal to what? This minus go here. So this is 9 into k minus 273 divided by 5 plus 32. Right? So first point is space in terms of f. So f equal to this. Find value of when k 0. So now put k equal to 0. So put k equal to 0. Then f equal to what? That is 9. into minus 273 upon 5 plus 32. So this is 9 3 ja 27. Carry 2. 9 7 ja 63 and 2 65. 9 2 ja 18 and 6 24. So minus 2457 divided by 5 plus 32. So we can write this minus 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20. 4 4. So 5 9 ja 45. 5 1 ja 5. 5 4 ja 20 plus 32. Right? So this is support 32.0. So subtract this number 4 minus 0, that is 4. 11 minus 2, that is 9. 8 minus 3, that is 5. So this is minus 4594. So this is the right answer. So for this type of question, here the Fahrenheit temperature F and absolute temperature K, satisfy the linear equation. Then given that K equal to 273, F equal to 32 and K this F, express in terms of F and find value there. So we have taken F as a x-axis and K as a y-axis. So x coordinate 32, y coordinate 273. In second case, x coordinate 212 and y coordinate. So there is a 2 point. So we know the 2-point form equation, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You can find the value of f. Now k0, so put k equal to 0, you can find value of f. Now see the last question, that is the third question. So this is the third question. Find equation of line passing through this and inclined with axis and angle of 75 degree. So again here the same point, that is point is given, that is 2 and 2 root 3. Okay, and theta given 75. So you can find m equal to tan theta, that is slope. So this is what? Tan 75 degree. So you know tan 75 equal to 45 plus 30 degree, right? So we can find the value. Tan A plus B is what? Tan A. So tan 45 1 plus tan B, that is tan 30 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus tan A. So tan 45 1 into tan B, that is 1 by root 3. So when we solve this number, so this is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus, because root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, you will get root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now put the value, equation is given and given. So again formula is what? Y minus y1. So y minus y1, y1 is 2 root 3. So y minus 2 root 3 equal to m into, so m is what? Root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1, m into x minus x1. So this is x minus 2. So you can write root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 equal to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Now you can solve this number, you can find answer. So this is what? Y into root 3 minus 1 and minus 2 root 3 into this, that is minus 6, and minus 2 root 3 into minus 1 plus 2 root 3. In the same way, here x into root 3 plus 1 minus 2 into this, so this is minus 2 root 3 and this is minus 2. Okay, so now you can find x into root 3 plus 1 minus y into root 3 minus 1. Okay, and this equal to what? Minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. 2 root 3, and this is what? Plus 2 root 3. So this is 4 root 3. So you can write here what? That is 4 into root 3 minus 1, right? So this is the equations of the line passing through 2 to root 3 and inclined with the x-axis of angle of the 75 degree. Thank you.